Hello there, I am Ayo Emmanuel Ojo, and here is Wells Television Daily News Update. Human rights activist Omoyele Sowore was arrested today by armed police operatives at the Federal High Court in Abuja. Police spokesperson CSP Benjamin explained that the arrest followed the earlier detention of 13 demonstrators who claimed that Sowore instructed them to march into the restricted area as part of the #FreeNamdi protest. According to him, the activist actions violated public order and disregarded the lawful directive from the court. Hundeyin said Sowore's arrest was carried out to maintain peace and prevent further breach of security in the Federal Capital Territory. He added that Sowore would remain in custody pending the completion of investigations, after which he would be charged to court. The police maintained that the existing court order, described as a protective injunction, was still in force and must be respected by all parties. Sowore's supporters, however, condemned the arrest, describing it as an attempt to stifle dissent and freedom of expression. The Federal High Court in Abuja has adjourned the trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, tomorrow, following the dramatic withdrawal of his legal team. During today's proceedings, the defense counsel informed the court that they were stepping down from representing Kanu, citing undisclosed reasons. Justice Binta Nyako consequently adjourned the case to allow Kanu time to make new legal arrangements. The IPOB leader, who now intends to represent himself, requested additional time to prepare and summon witnesses. The case, which borders on terrorism and treasonable felony charges, has faced repeated delays, further prolonging the already tense legal and political battle surrounding Kanu's detention. In Edo State, the governor, Monday Ekwebelu, has criticized his predecessor, Godwin Obaseki, for allegedly discriminating against 3 judicial officers recommended by the National Judicial Council for appointment as judges of the Edo State High Court. Speaking in Benin City after swearing in the 3 delayed appointees, Governor Ekwebelu described Obaseki's refusal to inaugurate them as unjust, politically motivated, and contrary to the principles of fairness and the rule of law. He noted that while the NJC recommended 8 judges in June 2023, it took the previous administration until December 2024 to swear in other 5, leaving out the remaining 3 despite their qualification. He remarked that no one should be marginalized due to lack of godfather and pledged to ensure that justice is served without fear or favor. The governor reaffirmed his commitment to protecting the scrutiny of the judiciary and ensuring that appointments are made strictly on merit. The Dangote Group has refuted claims linking one of its trucks to a fatal road crash that occurred in Akungba Akoko, Ondo State. The company, in a statement issued yesterday, said preliminary investigations confirm that the truck involved in the accident did not belong to its fleet. Dangote Industries Limited described reports linking it to the tragedy as false and misleading, stressing that the truck in question may have been branded with counterfeit Dangote markings. The firm reaffirmed its commitment to road safety, stating that all its vehicles are fully registered and tracked. They also expressed condolences to the victims' families while promising to support ongoing investigations to ensure the real owner of the truck is identified and brought to justice. And finally, on the foreign scene, King Charles has made history as the 4th head of the Church of England to pray publicly with a pope, marking a moment of powerful symbolism nearly 500 years after the Church of England broke away from Rome. The meeting held at the Vatican today brought the monarch face to face with Pope Leo, the first American pontiff who was elected just 5 months ago. And during the visit, King Charles and the Pope exchanged symbolic greetings and held a private audience before joining together in prayer, an act described by observers as a profound gesture of unity between the Anglican and the Catholic Church faith. The Queen accompanied the King, dressed in traditional black, as a sign of respect for papal protocol. The event unfolded amid continued scrutiny surrounding Prince Andrew, though palace officials were reportedly determined to ensure the royal scandal did not overshadow the landmark occasion. And finally, in sports, Super Eagles defender Bright Osayi Samuel has received a 1-match suspension following his 5th yellow card of the English champion season. The Nigerian international picked up the caution during the club's 1-0 victory over Preston North End last weekend. Under Football Association rules, players who accumulate 5 bookings before the 19th round of matches automatically serve a 1-game ban. Osai Samuel will now miss his side's next fixture against Bristol City. The 26-year-old has been a consistent performer for the Queen's Park Rangers this season, contributing both defensively and offensively, but his absence is expected to be a blow to the team's backline. Thank you for watching Wells Television Daily News Update for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Wells Television. Like our Facebook page at Wells Television. Thank you for watching. God bless you.